students, my name is Priank Chhabra and I am recording at ETS India studio. Here I am and I'm going to talk about TOEFL iBT reading section. The question is, how do we do well or how do we score well in TOEFL iBT reading section? Okay, so there are two types of questions, general questions and specific questions. You may not be a good reader or you may not have those reading habits. Still, how do you score well? The key, the most important tip. When you are attempting questions, ensure you go ahead with your specific questions first. Attempt specific questions, find the answers, do not read the complete passage first. If you read the whole passage, you again have to come back to the passage when you're doing questions. So save time. Remember, time management is a very important key. To ensure we save time, do specific questions first. By the time you read general questions, you'll know the passage, at least half of the passage. One advantage that I feel TOEFL iBT reading section has, you can move in between questions, which means if your first question is a general question, you may want to leave it for the moment, go ahead with the second question, which could be a specific question, and then come back to a general question. I am sure these tips are going to help you in your TOEFL reading. In case you like this video, please follow, like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.